Hi, I'm Eric Grant with Sailrite. Today we're going to talk about some of my favorite tools. The UltraFeed LSZ is obviously included in that, but that's a no-brainer. It's a phenomenal tool. So let's get started and show you some of my other tools that I love. The first up is this simple and affordable gem, the Sailrite Clear Acrylic Ruler. I use this ruler in almost every project. In fact, if you check out our Sailrite YouTube channel with 1,500 plus free tutorial videos, you'll find that we use it in almost every single project. You'll love the Sailrite Clear Acrylic Ruler. The second tool is the Sailrite Edge cordless hot knife. One of the advantages of the Sailrite Edge hot knife is the precision cutting foot and blade. It's sold separately, but it's highly worth it. One reason is you can make nice sharp curves with it because the blade is so small and it doesn't damage your work surface. So you don't have to move around a piece of glass or metal to prevent damage to your work surface. You'll love the Sailrite Edge hot knife coupled with the precision cutting foot and blade. And finally, the Handy Press. The Handy Press is great for professionals, but it can also be used for the average DIYer if you have a lot of fasteners or applications that you do over and over again. Why do I love this tool? Well, not only does it make installing fasteners easy and quick, but it's the most versatile hand press on the market. It takes any brand die. If it was made for a hand press, it'll work in the Handy Press. And it's so versatile because we can adjust the upper shaft up or down to get that sweet compression for the best setting fastener or other application that you have. These tools are game changers. Make sure you get yours today at Sailrite.